Hello and welcome to day 18 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. So in the last few days, we have covered a lot of things, from allowing users to tweet, to allowing others to like it, to be able to count and show it on the front end, and also pop up. But social media is all about discussion. So unless we allow the users to be able to comment, it's like having a room full of people but not allowing them to talk to each other. Social platforms are all about conversations and debates. So today we will take the first step towards conversation, creating database for users to be able to comment on tweets. Think of it as a backbone for all the conversations that happen on our platform. So let's get started. For creating a database for commenting, we will head to data types and we will create something called tweet comments. And again, we will create a field called linked tweet, which will be of type tweet. And then we will create comment, which is actually the comment that the user wants to add, which will be of type text. And we already know who is the creator of this particular comment, so we don't need that here. Okay, just like tweet liked by, here we just wanted to know like which tweet was liked. Okay, but here it's not just about which tweet the comment is for, but also the content of the comment. Whenever we are creating a new data type, how do we map that to our existing data types? For example, in this case, we wanted to create tweet comments. Now, the reason why we created a separate data type and not added within the tweets is because we can have multiple comments added, and we also have to know who has added this comment, when was it added, and which tweet it was added to. So we are creating a different data type, so we can map that to the tweet by linked tweet. Again, this linked tweet could be anything. It could be mapped tweet, it could be comment on tweet, right? This is just a naming convention. You can use anything. Okay, I would like to always use linked, whatever it is, right? So linked tweet. So even if you see tweet liked by, I mentioned linked tweet, right? And then the comment, which is of type text. And the reason we have done it this way, as you can see, we now get the creator, we now get the created date. So we know who has created this comment and when was this created. As against, if we had added at the tweet level, then we would have known the modified date, but this is the modified date of the entire record. Okay, not particularly a comment. We have just built the foundation of comments on our app. While users can't comment just yet, we have built the system which is required for that. In the next video, we will connect the front end to the database that we just created today so that users can start commenting on each other's tweet. Keep learning, keep sharing, keep inspiring others.